What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now, we're not exactly in a TT. In fact, we're not in any car. We're actually in my room where I'm meant to be doing the editing. However, if you don't know already, or if you've not checked the community tab, I actually had a problem with this computer right here, and I lost a lot of files. Don't know when this is going to go up. It might go up the Monday time, or maybe this afternoon. Either way, you boys and girls need to hit a like on the video and subscribe for the grind. Literally got this part in today. Shout out to my dad as well for helping me fix it. I apologise, we're not doing a video on the TT, and we're in a bit of a flow at the minute, and the video as well behind me, the last one, this is the channel by the way, just nice background and stuff. Anyway, the video that just went up previously, the fixing the most common problem on the TT, that's actually doing extremely well at the minute. The views are absolutely insane, the likes as well, the comments. So I just want to give a shout out to anybody that's watched that video, and also if you have watched that video and not subscribed already, what are you playing at? Subscribe, click the button. In this video I'm going to sort of go through as to what the future holds for this channel. I'm going to go over some points. I apologize for this boring sort of video, however I'll sort of break it up with different clips as to what I'm sort of talking about. So please watch the video as full because it will answer a lot of questions that people are asking. So first things first, I have now graduated. Explosions, yay! I graduated last Wednesday. It was the most nerve-wracking thing I've probably ever done in my life. The fact that I was so scared to fall over on the steps on the way up. However, we made it, boys. We made it straight across. Shout out to my mum as well, who's like screaming. But yeah, so that's now done. Now I'm going to have a bit more time, obviously, after this month. I want to be able to branch out. And what I mean by that is attending more car shows. So I want to go to more car shows and actually potentially run into you guys as... God, it's raining already. Oh yeah, we're in 4K, baby. So I just got... we should be in 4K. I hope we're in 4K. I want to start going to more car shows. The weather at the minute is really bad. This summer is absolutely sucked so far, so that's a bit annoying. However, on the back of that as well, I want to host my own car show. But yeah, it should be really good. I'm really excited for that. Bit of like a family event, I guess you could say. Have the car on show, get a load of TTs down and stuff like that. Might be quite good. Bit of a chill meet rather than like one of them dickhead meets I used to go to. Yeah, next thing as well is to progress the channel even further with the engagement that we're getting now. I'm going to start reaching out a bit more as well to more sponsorships. So one of the biggest sponsorships that we've actually got at the minute is obviously Forge, as well as Clean Image. So Clean Image is our detailing sponsor, I guess you could say. Links are all in the description for these guys anyways. But yeah, shout out to you guys for supporting us. If I keep looking over here or here I'm looking at the camera, the little screen that tells me to make sure I'm in focus, so I don't look like shit. I've just realised as well I'm recording in 4K, and now you're going to see all my imperfections, so.
Oh my goodness, you alright?
Yeah, whereas over here it's my list of things to talk about because my memory is not very good, as you boys and girls know. So the next thing as well that I want to talk about is a huge baby of mine. It's something that's been in the works for quite a while, and it's actually just behind me here. So this is the start, or I say the start, I've already started this. So this is the beginning, I guess you could say, of my clothing brand. So my clothing brand, I'll go into a more sort of in-depth video later on because there's a lot behind it, but it's called ITW, which stands for Inspire to Win. And the motto, I say the quote, or whatever you want to call it, for this brand is inspire to win and win to inspire. And basically what that means is that you inspire to be able to do your best in whatever field that you're in. And once you are in that field, you will then use your expertise and your accomplishments to then inspire other people to do the same. Still waiting on some last minute bits and bobs for this, but I'm so excited to release this. One thing as well that I want to do is, as we're growing now and I've got a bit more time, I want to be able to host potential like live streams. So me playing games and stuff like that, or even just sitting down and editing. One good way that you guys can actually interact with me is through the Discord. So I've set up a Discord, again, links in the description. You guys can go to that Discord, and it's basically just where I like hang out. As mentioned, it's just a good way to get involved. I'm excited to be able to interact with you guys a bit more because I don't want to just be this person that does YouTube and then you comment and then that's it. I want to have more of a intimate, sounds weird, doesn't it?
Daddy, chill.
the monetization of the channel. So since we've been back and I've been making videos, and we've been earning absolutely nothing off the videos, so we are so close to be able to reach a threshold where people can become members of the channel. So what that means is basically you guys can become members of the channel. So it's like a subscription sort of thing. I don't know how much it is. I think it's like £4.99 a month, but all that money then will then go towards obviously the videos and actually buying products to be able to make videos for the like TT, because I wish I picked a bit of a better genre to sort of like make videos in, because making videos on cars is so expensive. And a prime example of that is Matt Armstrong. He just seems to be buying like Lambos, and everything is uber expensive. So yeah, I'll speak about it more sort of later in the time, but all I need you guys to do is watch the videos as much as possible, because that's what's going to help us reach that threshold. I think we're like, I don't know, I'll put a picture here. We're very close to be able to reach the criteria to be able to go down that route. So make sure you watch the video, make sure you watch it all the way through, because that does really help. And also there'll be benefits. I'll make sure you guys actually get your money's worth within obviously the membership thing, so you get your own like special icons and things like that when you post. So I'm gonna make it pretty cool, and definitely something you want to consider. That's pretty much it. I don't want this video to drag out too much, because I know that not a lot of people are going to watch this, but the last thing I'm going to do is leave you guys with a task. So what I want you to do is comment your Instagram and also the car you drive. So this could be an Audi TT, could be a different Audi of any kind, it could be any single car. Leave your Instagrams in the comments down below. I'm going to do like a rate my ride or rate your ride or whatever it's called. So if you guys want me to rate your cars, I'm no expert in this. My car, I'd probably rate like a 1 or 2 out of 10. What you've done to your car, what your car is, etc., a little bit of a description, and I'll review it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm excited about this. This is going to be good. The clothing line, I'm really excited. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I've been Josh. This is the brand. This is my YouTube channel. That was our POV. Peace out, guys.